GAP Student Nutrition GAP is the Great After School program here in Brookings, and the students provide nutrition education to the students that are at the after school program, meaning they provide them information on My Plate, the different food groups, things along those lines, mindful eating, things like that.
A lot of the activities that we did for the kids at Dakota Prairie were really interactive and hands-on, and we tried to incorporate physical activity as much as possible. Because they're sitting in a classroom all day, we wanted to make this enjoyable for them and then include some physical exercise. So a lot of it was having them identify different parts of food or nutrient by running to a different part in the gym, or placing the specific food on where it should go on My Plate. So a lot of interactive things like that.
It's really important for the nutrition and dietetics students to have hands-on experience with children, as it's really great for them to take the knowledge that they learn in the classroom and adapt it to different audiences. To take something from a high-level learning to then being able to provide that at, say, a first grader level is really important, so they understand community nutrition, how to adapt learning styles. In this specific project, they do fun activities. So it's taking the knowledge that they're learning, how do we make this fun for kids, but also educational? How do we assess to see if they are learning anything from the things that we're providing? And these are things within community nutrition and their future careers that they would actually be doing. So we're getting them to get that knowledge and experience that they'll actually do as registered dietitians one day.
From this experience, I'll be able to take away just the confidence to lead a classroom or a group of kids. I specifically want to work in pediatric dietetics, so being able to teach young kids the importance of nutrition and just kind of how to adapt my lesson plan for the day to what they need in that moment, or I guess what would make more sense to them, is something that I feel like I can take into my future and definitely use as a pediatric dietitian.
The goal for the GAP nutrition education in the future is that we are expanding to not only Dakota Prairie, but the other great after school place programs throughout Brookings, and then we are also expanding to Boys and Girls Club and the Fishback Center. So expanding to different populations, expanding so all students get this experience and not just a select group.